last video, which I've heard has gone viral, I don't know if that's true, I heard, I made some tomato concasse, which a lot of you might be wondering what on earth that's all about. So I'm going to show you quickly this morning how to make concasse, tomato concasse. And sitting on my left here, I have my gorgeous assistant today to help me. Her name is Georgina. And so here we go. Tomato concasse. I'm only making a small amount. I've just taken about 1/4 of an onion. Okay, and I'm going to chop that up quickly. And then I'm going to saute it off with a bit of garlic. And it won't take long to make. Okay, so some chopped onion, bit of garlic. 1 clove is enough really for. I'm only going to make a small tin, so. But the thing about tomato concasse, you can use it in soups and sauces and things like casseroles, sautés, all kind. And it's so just handy to have it sitting in your fridge for whenever you need it. So I'm going to lock the gas lights. Right, thank you. So you've seen the onions and garlic in there. About a dessert spoonful of oil, I suppose. All that. Some provincial herbs. About a teaspoonful, I suppose. And let that saute off for a minute. So the onions sauteed off for a minute or two. The garlic, the herbs. I'm only going to add about a big teaspoonful of tomato puree to that. Okay, and I'm going to lob in the tomatoes. Alright, these are peeled tomatoes, by the way. Okay, I'm just going to take I'm going to just get some water, rinse that tin out. Okay, and I'm going to season that, bit of salt, and let it cook out for, once it comes to the boil, I'll let it cook out for about 10 or 15 minutes, and I should probably finish it off, if necessary, just by mashing it. Okay, so here we are back again about 15 minutes later. I've mashed these tomatoes down. If the gorgeous Georgina would just come in a bit closer to the pan. She's wearing a bikini today, I don't know why. Can you just come in a little bit closer and have a look into this pan? There you go. Oh, lovely. Okay, so you can see this is cooked out now, and you can, as I said, you can keep it in your fridge and use it as and when you want to, and it'll keep for a good week or more. So that's it. Tomato concasse. Enjoy, my friends. Thank you. Bye bye.